you guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today we are going to make a vegan eclair cake. Now look, girl. So my mom, when she's not like, love you mom, sorry to call you out, but she's not really a good cook. So she's very much a fan of those throw something together, semi-homemade kind of things. So she used to make this eclair cake for get-togethers, potlucks, and all of that for dessert. And it is so delicious and so easy that I was like, girl, you think I can veganize that? And you know what? I fucking did that shit. So before we get started, I want to tell you that a huge thank you to Susan. Susan, you are an angel on earth. I appreciate you so much for your donation to my channel, to what I've got going on here so that I can keep going and get all of my dish towels washed and everything else. She bought us to dry. Oh my God, I cannot. Woo! Thank you so much, Susan. You seriously, my heart is so warmed. We are so thankful. If you guys want to help support this channel, you can donate via my PayPal, midnightmunchiesandmore@yahoo.com. That will be below. And while you're at it, you know what? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that little bell notification so that you can get notified when my next video comes out, because I'm doing a Christmas cookie collab, you guys, with two other vegan YouTubers who I am obsessed with, Eli and Crunchy Scott. You guys don't want to miss it. It's going out Saturday. It's going up Saturday. We're all going to help each other out and have 3 vegan cookie videos for you guys to watch on Saturday. So subscribe and let's jump right into this after I keep blabbing and blabbing and blabbing. Okay, you guys, this is so super easy. So I got 3 of the instant vanilla pudding mixes. Now, the actual mix itself is vegan accidentally, but if you try to put the same amount of non-dairy milk that they say of regular milk, you're not going to have a lot of success. So normally each package says about 2 cups of regular milk. So what I'm going to do is 3/4 of a cup for each. So multiply that by 3, math, and we have 2 1/4 cup of unsweetened. We want unsweetened non-dairy almond milk because this is going to be sweet enough. And we're just going to whisk it up again. You can use like soy. You can use whatever kind your little heart desires. And once that is all mixed up, I'm going to come in there with this vegan, so delicious cocoa whipped topping. So if you've seen my show before, you will know that I've used the kind out of the spray can, the Ready Whip, but I wanted the tub kind, like the Cool Whip replacement, if you will. So we're going to fold this into our pudding. We're folding because we don't want to let all that whipped cream deflate. So we're doing that whole tub, baby. Okay, girl. And we're just going to fold. So we're going to cut down the middle and turn over, cut down the middle until we have it all mixed in together. Then we're going to get out our handy dandy 13x9 pan, which I have put graham crackers on the bottom of a single layer. Now, let's talk vegan grahams. So these Nabisco original graham crackers are vegan. They came up in Google as vegan. The vegan app that we have where you scan the barcode, it said it was vegan. But I did notice that on the back, it said that it contains palm oil. So I am not 100% sure if you're one of those vegans that has a huge problem with palm oil, which I understand, but this doesn't contain animal products, so we're getting into that whole big debate. But it might be ethically sourced, like Follow Your Heart's vegan cheeses are. I'm not really sure, though, so I can't say. If you don't feel comfortable using these, that is totally fine. I just have seen over and over again that they're accidentally vegan, but feel free to go to like Whole Foods or something like that and get ones that are actually made to be vegan and have the little emblem on the bottom. Totally fine, I get it, but just don't hate on me before you guys get crazy on me. So now we're going to take half of our pudding and Cool Whip mixture and we're going to layer this on top of our grahams. And then we're going to come in with another layer of our grahams. And then on top of this, we're going to put the rest of our pudding and Cool Whip mixture. Girl, oh my God, I'm so excited. I can't wait. I can't. After our second layer of our pudding and Cool Whip mixture, we went ahead and put more grahams on top. And then I'm going to come in here with another store-bought item. So this is a chocolate frosting. Again, this is the same thing that I wanted to tell you guys about, just like with the grahams, that this Again, everybody was telling me it was vegan, but it does say palm oil on the back, so I can't be too certain. But what I did was I popped it in the microwave for just a few seconds, so it's a little bit easier to spread. So we're going to spread this all the way on top. We're gonna cover this with saran wrap and pop this in our refrigerator for about 4 hours. That's gonna let that pudding cocoa whip mixture set. That's gonna give it time for those graham crackers to get softer so we have more of an eclair type texture. You guys, look at this. You can see the layers. Oh girl, and that chocolate. So, all right, I'm gonna take a bite. I already know it's delicious. I'm taking another one. Actually, let me show you. When you cut into this, they're like, oh, girl, you see how soft those graham crackers got? Like, oh, okay. I'm gonna eat that. Oh, so easy, so simple. You guys can whip this up the night before. You don't have to do a whole lot of work. You just throw that shit in the fridge. And if you want the full written recipe, as per usual, will be linked below in the description. MidnightMunchiesandMore.com. And make sure you guys give me that thumbs up if you like this video and comment below. And if you guys make any of my recipes, take pictures and share them with me on social media. My social media will be down below as well. Love seeing your stuff. All your Thanksgiving foods. Oh, girl, my heart. I was like crying all damn day. I was like, look at everybody having these vegan Thanksgiving. So anyways, thank you guys for joining me, and I will catch you on Saturday for a cookie collab.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, I will read up, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.